What's up, guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to fix the problem when the projecting to this PC feature is disabled on your Windows PC. I guide you through enabling this feature and configuring it properly to get it up and running. For a deeper understanding, click on the first link in the description below. Kickstart the process by launching the Settings application on your Windows PC. An easy shortcut is pressing the Windows key along with I. This will swiftly open the Settings window for you. From here, navigate to System, Projecting to this PC. Now, you'll encounter a drop-down menu under the section Windows PCs and phones can project to this PC when you say it's OK. Click on this drop-down menu and opt for either Available Everywhere or Available Everywhere on Secure Networks, based on your preference and the security level of your network. Shift your focus to the Ask to Project to this PC setting. Here, you possess the freedom to set it to First Time Only or Every time a connection is requested. Make a choice that aligns with your needs. For those who fancy an extra layer of security, the Require PIN for pairing option is a handy feature. Turn it on if you prefer to have a PIN prompt during the pairing process. Having tweaked the settings, it's now time to test the waters. Attempt to project to your PC to verify if the issue has been ironed out. Ensure that both the projecting device and your PC are on the same network, and all necessary permissions for projecting have been granted. If the issue persists, ensure your device's drivers are up to date, and consider restarting both your PC and the projecting device. This often resolves many connectivity issues. Should you face any hurdles, don't hesitate to refer to the extensive guide linked in the description below, which offers more information and troubleshooting steps. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions, and see you in the next one.